Query Builder. This one helps you to build some of the queries and get some of the results. As you see here, you just put with or without. You enter property, then matching value with references or not. Then also you can choose to limit. So this is the limit here. So we are seeing the property here. You're going to get an example about it, also the value that it is there. That's why it is always really very important to get the basics of Wikidata. Then Query Builder. So this is one example. You're saying that I'm looking for occupation. I want it to be matching. So this matching means I want it to be, I'm looking for painters, someone who is doing, I want a Wikidata item that has occupation that is matching painter. So I want painters. People are painter doing occupation. So I want those people, their place of birth to be Ghana. So even here you're saying whether it has references or not. And you want to limit the result to 100. So to get a quick, let me first clear these drawings here. Yeah, so still here, painter, place of birth, you can choose whether you want references or not. So also instance of human, so meaning here you're looking for human, regardless of the value here, you don't mind. So even here, you're looking for fictional character, geologist, female, and all that. So let us go to a quick example of Query Builder. So Wikidata, I'm going to search for Wikidata, Query Builder. So let's say you visit this site, there's a query service and there's a query builder. So this is this page, what it is showing you, but then they're telling you try Wikidata Query Builder here. So basically you want to know, you're drafting a simple query of something. So property. Property is you want say country of citizenship, matching the value. So you want matching means you want say Uganda, people who have count of citizenship as Uganda. So here you can choose matching without, something like that. So do you want that one to be having references or not? Doesn't matter. Then we come here and we say what property. So the properties that we are picking, there, let me search for Dennis Onyango. Don't get tired of the name. He's our superstar that we have. So basically, these are the properties. So I'm looking for instance of human. So this is the property. Instance is the property here. Then value is the human. So basically, that's what we are trying to do here. So meaning, also we can come here. I want a property instance of human. Then, so meaning, I want humans who are Ugandans, and then you can still, so here you can say without. So with and without, we are going to see that. So we are coming to another condition. So say, for example, we want footballers. So we say occupation, say association, football player. So want people who are playing football. Want people who are Ugandans and are playing association football. Then you can limit it, set to 100, or you can limit it, set to 10. Then you run the query. So it starts pulling this list. Then it brings for, you have limited it to 10, but you can push it to 100 or a number. But the bigger the number, then it is going to show you. It's going to take long to process. Oh, is it true? Yeah, we are looking for humans here. Then when we come, we want count of citizenship, which is Uganda. Then also, when we look for occupation, they are here, association football sport. So that's how it does. So you can still bring, so we are coming show query in query service. That one is the next bit. So basically, that one. Or even you can choose to add a condition that I want, say, pip without, or you can say sex. How is it? Sex or gender. You can say I want, say males. So you can either say I want with their gender as male. So meaning you want male football players who are Ugandans. So with and without. So basically you can be looking for players who don't have sex as a male. So something like that. So let us summarize here, and then we run the query, and we see we are limiting it to 10 so that it brings for us this particular query. So you see that based on the names, it is only picking males. So if we change this and we make it female, then it is going to, when you run the query, then it is going to bring for you females only. So that is a simple way to do a simple search on Wikidata Query Builder. So after building that, I'm going to leave this page open so that it is going to help us on something else.